got up from bed. I think it's getting late. It's around 12. Headache, and we're waiting for Uber Eats. We're gonna get something to eat now. Yeah, and I didn't go out because I'm lazy. I'm tired. But I need to finish my video. I was supposed to finish it yesterday, but I wasn't able to finish too. I wasn't able to finish it, not finish too. But yes. Oh, forgot. It's still Saturday. It's not Sunday. Anyway, happy Saturday to everyone. And yeah, hoping I can finish my video for my birthday this weekend because I really want to get it up. Anyway, getting back in and trying to fix my headache. Okay, one thing I noticed with me is that this thing is like getting out of hand. I need to get it fixed. I'm just too lazy to get it fixed, but I need to get it fixed. Also, we're trying to get Uber Eats for some nachos, so yeah, I'm waiting for it. It just texted me that it's coming, so that will be our brunch for today. Uber Eats Gomez y Guzman nachos. I'm not really cooking well because I'm having a headache, and yeah, the weather is really good today. I need to enjoy it. I don't know, we should go out. I need to finish my video. I really want to finish my video. I don't really want to finish something today. So yeah, let's check it out. Waiting for the Uber Eats guy. Yeah. Also, one thing I want to point out is that I usually shoot on PAL. It's 25p here in Australia because the thing is the frequency of the lighting or the electricity or the frequency of the AC here is like works with PAL. So if I'm going to use NTSC, it's going to flicker in some lighting conditions. But yeah, I tried filming with it. I don't like the feel. So I moved back to NTSC. I'm just gonna stick to shutter 50 or shutter 100 because I really prefer that one. And also, food's coming on a Honda Civic or something. Anyway, yeah. So I wanted to let you know that if sometimes my video will be flickering, that's because I'm using NTSC, not PAL. Your order from is almost there. Please meet your delivery. Okay, waiting for delivery. What the heck? Some Asian guy just shouting. What the fuck was that? I'll figure it out. This thing is really getting out of hand. I'm really fucking hating it, and it's my fault. I didn't have it checked, but it's really getting out of hand. It's annoying. It looks weird. I'm so pissed off right now with Uber Eats. Like, I was waiting for my food, and he was just around the corner, and then he realized he can't deliver it. He cancels. Wait, why would you cancel? And he didn't even try. He just contacted me and didn't ask for any specific info, and he canceled. Fucking asshole. Wait. Fuck you, Uber Eats. Fuck you, Uber Eats. I hate you. Yeah. Why'd you cancel, mate? I checked my app. My address was correct. Door, info, everything is correct. But this fucking guy just called me and he canceled. He fucking canceled. Fuck you. Fuck you. Pissed me off. Like I said, fuck you, Uber Eats. Fuck you. You know, you can't contact them. You can't complain. You don't have a number to call them. And this fucking delivery guy just asked me and then just panic and just cancel. Like, he's like, okay. And then he just canceled the fucking order. I'm so fucking hungry. Fuck you. Fuck you. Enough. I'm not gonna talk about it anymore. So I went to the Gani and got myself eggs Benedict with a lot of hollandaise on it and some bruschetta or something. So yeah, now I'm happy. Yeah, I'm gonna have a good meal today. Fuck you, Uber. So fuck you, Uber. Fuck you, Uber Eats. Fuck you. Fuck you. Really pissed. Really got me. Why did you place the one with hollandaise on top? Like, it fell and all the hollandaise just spilled. What do you have to do? Okay, I'll let you go, Digani. I'll let you go. Okay, we have hollandaise which got crappy, I don't know, haven't it? We have the bruschetta with nice, awesome, I don't know what there is, but yeah, Let's go. Let's eat. Morning, guys. I know it's too dark right now. I just got up around 12. Wasted the whole day. I was just lying down sleeping because I had a migraine. The fucking migraine's back. And yeah, right now I'm gonna go out and do the laundry. Hope to get things done today. But before I go to the laundry, I'm gonna go to the bank here and I'm just gonna deposit the coins because the coins are getting out of hand. And if you don't deposit them, they pile up and then you end up not using them. Like, they're everywhere. And coins, when you have a lot of them, they could amount to a lot of money. You know, they do. I used to have $2 savings and I deposited them all, and it's around 1,007, 1,006, 1,008. I don't know. It's a lot of money. Anyway, I'm gonna go to the bank now. Yep. And I'm heading there. Well, the crappiest thing is that I just brought this camera. Just got one battery on it, and now it's 17%. So I need to charge it. That way, I keep on vlogging. Oh well, not a lot of vlogs for tonight. I'm getting in the bank now. So yeah, that's where I go. Deposit. Yep. So it's around 2 a.m. I decided to do the laundry across the street and then wash the car. So yeah, car wash it to 3 a.m. I'm one of the crazy ones. Anyway, yeah, just stay tuned. I'll wash the car now. Okay, I'm gonna finish washing the car now, so see you later, guys. Yeah. Okay, done with the laundry. I'm heading home now. So yeah, it's really late or early in the morning. I'm heading home right now. I'm gonna go to sleep. Yeah, so late now. Anyway, I need to go. So you have 2 more days off. Friday and Friday. Yeah, Friday and Saturday's gone. Sunday tomorrow. Time flies so fast. Anyway, I'm gonna end the vlog right now. Good night, guys. And I still eat Uber Eats. Fuck. I need to go sleep now. I'm like frish. My mouth is not functioning well. Yeah.